Assalamu alaikum. Hello and warm welcome to all of you. Dear students, today I am here with the sixth part of Geography chapter number 4, Climate. In the previous lecture, we had discussed onset and withdrawal of monsoon season in India. As we discussed, monsoon begins by the first week of June from southern part of India. Monsoon winds divided into two branches, Arabian Sea branches and Bay of Bengal branch. These two branches covered almost entire country within 1 month, and whole country experienced rainfall. Withdrawal or retreating of monsoon is gradual process. The withdrawal of monsoon begin in northwestern state of India by early September, and by early December monsoon withdrew from almost entire country. Today we are going to discuss the seasons. As you know that India has monsoon type of climate, and it has the characteristics of different season pattern. Means monsoon type of climate is characterized by distinct seasonal pattern in our country. The weather condition greatly change from one season to other. In different season we experience there is a change, great change in weather condition of our country. These kind of changes particularly noticeable in interior part of the country. Change in weather condition in different season, and these type of changes are noticeable in interior part of the country, means the region away from the coastal area. The coastal area do not experience much variation in temperature, though there is variation in rainfall pattern. In different season, different weather condition prevail in our country, and these type of changes noticeable in interior part of the country, but in coastal region there is a less variation in weather condition due to the moderate influence of sea. Means there is not great change, there is not much change in weather condition into coastal area. How many seasons we are experiencing in our country? Generally 3 seasons: the winter, the summer and the monsoon. But here 4 seasons identified in India: the cold weather season winter, the hot weather season summer, the advancing monsoon and retreating monsoon. These are 4 main seasons experienced in India with some regional variation. Four seasons: the winter, the summer, the advancing monsoon, and retreating monsoon. So first, I would like to discuss the cold weather season, winter. The cold weather season begins from mid-November in northern India and stays till February. The cold weather season means winter begins in northern part of India by mid-November and stays till February. As per Hindu calendar, 4 months of cold weather season are Kartak, Makshar, Posh and Maha. These 4 are the months of Hindu calendar for the cold weather season, winter in India. It starts from middle of the November and stays till February in northern part of our country. In cold weather season, the temperature decreases from south to north. Temperatures start to decrease from south to north. As we advance towards north from south, so temperatures start to decrease. In winter, the average temperature of Chennai on the eastern coast is between 24 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, while in the northern plain it ranges between 10 degree to 15 degree Celsius. As I explain you, temperature decrease from south to north. So in winter, on eastern coast of India, at Chennai, in winter temperature remain around 24 degree to 25 degree Celsius. But at the same time, temperature in northern plain remain 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. So there is clear variation. As we move from south to north, temperature decrease. Chennai located in southern part of India, so temperature 24 degree to 25 degree. But northern plain located into the northern part of India, so temperature decrease and it remain in between 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. In winter, days are warm and nights are cold. It is a special characteristic of cold weather season, winter in India. Days are generally warm, not too hot, not too cold, but nights are generally cold. Temperature decrease. Frost is common in north and the higher slope of Himalaya experience snowfall. Frost is common in winter season in northern part of India, and higher slopes of Himalaya also experience snowfall in winter season. So I am discussing these are the characteristics of cold weather season, winter in India. Frost is common in northern part of India, and higher slopes of Himalaya experience rainfall in winter season. In northern part of the country, a feeble high pressure region developed with light winds moving outwards from this area influenced by the relief. These winds blow through Ganga Valley from the west and northwest. In northern part of country, feeble means weak higher pressure developed in the region of Ganga Valley, and winds start to blow from this high pressure towards low pressure, means winds start to blow from land to sea. Wind start to blow from land to sea. The weather is normally marked by clear sky, low temperature and low humidity and feeble variable winds. This is very important characteristic of winter season in India. Weather normally marked by clear sky. No cloudy weather condition prevail in winter season. Sky is clear, temperature is low, humidity is also low, and weak variable winds are blowing in winter season. So these are the characteristics of winter season in India. Clear sky, low temperature, low humidity, and weak winds are blowing in winter season. A characteristic feature of cold weather season over the northern plain is inflow of cyclonic disturbances from the west and northwest. This is also noticeable feature of winter season in India. Northern part of India experience northwest cyclonic disturbance in winter season. These low pressure system originate over Mediterranean Sea and Western Asia and move into India along with the westerly flow. This low pressure system actually originating in Mediterranean Sea, and from there it entered into India along with the westerly jet stream. They caused the much needed winter rains over the plain and snowfall in mountain. And due to this western cyclonic disturbance, earlier we had discussed about western cyclonic disturbance. So due to this western cyclonic disturbance, north and northwestern part of India experience rainfall, and higher slopes of Himalaya experience snowfall. The total amount of winter rainfall locally known as Mahavat is small. They are of immense importance for the cultivation of Rabi crops. Due to this western cyclonic disturbance, as I told you, it caused rainfall in north and northwestern part of India, and higher slopes of Himalaya experience rainfall. Though the amount of winter rainfall is small, but it is very important for growing of Rabi crops in north and northwestern part of India, and this rainfall is known as Mahavat. In local language it is known as Mahavat. Is it clear? Due to western cyclonic disturbance, north and northwestern part of India experience rainfall, and this rainfall is very important for growing of Rabi crops in this region. In local language it is known as Mahavat. The peninsular region does not have well-defined cold season. There is hardly any noticeable seasonal change in temperature pattern during winter due to the moderating influence of the sea. The peninsular part of India means southern part of India. There is actually hardly any noticeable change in temperature during the winter due to the moderating influence of the sea. Peninsular part of India means southern part of India. There is hardly any change in winter, hardly any change in temperature in winter season due to the moderating influence of the sea. Generally, there is a change in temperature in northern part of India, but there is hardly any change in winter season in temperature in peninsular part of India due to the moderating influence of the sea. With this, I would like to conclude my today's lecture. Inshallah, we will meet again very soon. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Allah Hafiz.